So yesterday I made a quick video about my sheet of decals I used to sell for $5. That was years ago, but I think I was ahead of the market. There was a few interested people, but right now there's another option for each set for $7 to $8. Some of these, not this one specific, but there are others that are for $10. Uh, so if I sell this for five, sorry for those who are asking, but I no longer sell. But I'm just saying, I'm trying to compare. It could be a good idea to sell again and make a good profit of the buyers, but I don't like to do that. I am focused on other things, I'm doing the other things. But yeah, nobody was interested on my decals. I mean, just a few customers. But if I used to sell these, I mean, let's see how much we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this was Harvey's. Harvey's, that could be 8, but let's count. We have 7 times 7. That's $49, $50 in one sheet. Yeah, it could be a good business if I go back. But the problem is I am focused on brand deals right now. I'll explain you later. But that's where we at this moment. I just want to share what happened before. So I was ahead of the market. Nobody cared about these decals. But now there's another option that you can purchase from that seller. That's a good deal. You can buy independent characters. You don't need to buy the whole sheet unless you are making a lot of fix and repairs. But yeah, that's a good option. Yeah, I'm not interested in selling those decals anyways. Like I say, that's a good place where you can find the decals. I haven't checked the quality, but it seems that a lot of people is happy. But like I say, I'm not comparing that. I'm just want to share my experience. And we had this option before, which was okay. But that one, definitely you can check the seller's store. They have a lot of decals for sale.